Many veterans returning home from military service experience post-traumatic stress disorder. These men and women have witnessed or been involved in life-altering traumatic events that created serious physical and emotional challenges. When doctors diagnose PTSD, they perform a physical exam to make certain medical problems aren't causing the symptoms, and a psychological evaluation that involves discussing all the signs and symptoms experienced up to and after the event. For this determination, the doctors use criteria in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, known as DSM-5. PTSD is now included as a new category in the DSM-5. Here's a short summary of the criteria used for diagnosing PTSD. The first requirement is that it must have been a stressor, such as experiencing a death threat, or the threat of serious injury or sexual violence. The veteran may have been exposed to a stressor either directly or indirectly. The second requirement for a diagnosis of PTSD is that the veteran consistently re-experiences the traumatic event through nightmares, flashbacks, or upsetting and unwanted memories. Avoidance is the third requirement. The veteran must show that they are avoiding trauma-related thoughts or feelings and are avoiding trauma-related external reminders, such as activities or environments that might bring up memories of the stressor event. And the fourth requirement is labeled as negative alterations in cognition and mood, which means the veteran's negative thoughts and feelings cause other undesirable behaviors. Among many others, these behaviors can include a loss of interest in day-to-day activities, increased feelings of isolation, excessive blame of others or themselves for causing the traumatic event, and an inability to experience a positive outlook. There are additional criteria that include irritability, aggression, destructive behavior, hypervigilance, and difficulty concentrating or sleeping. If the symptoms last for more than a month, impairs a person's ability to function, and aren't due to medication use, substance use, or other illnesses, the doctor may make a diagnosis of PTSD. The experienced legal team at Cuddigan Law recognizes and respects the sacrifices veterans have made to protect this country. If you're a veteran suffering from PTSD, we can help you obtain the disability benefits you have rightfully earned. Our attorneys have fought for the rights of veterans for years. We'll carefully examine your case and advise you on the best approach for receiving the maximum in disability benefits. Call us today for a free evaluation of your individual situation.